Hi friends, today we are having a look of a container swimming pool. This is a 40-feet container pool. The exterior color is customizable. The pink color makes people delight. Very eye-attracting, can be a part of the landscape. The window is also customizable. The size and the position are very flexible. Those windows connect the people in the pool and out the pool to have fun, and also offer a special view in the water. The pool liner is fiberglass. It's super easy to clean up and very durable compared to conventional liner like painted steel liner. The equipment is also customizable. It's integrated with pump system and filtration system. Lilian will show you the product process. Let's check it with Lilian.
Hello everyone, this is Lilian from Magic House. And here is the pool design we will introduce to yours today. It's one of our single clients for party use. The whole size length is 11.8 meters and width is 4.4 meters and height is 1.2 meters with stairs, handrail. Half is pool and another half is decking for rest. Our video will have 5 parts. Today the parts will be welding the pool structure. First step, we will cut all the materials. The best frame we using the C-channel. It's strong and almost using for construction area. The standard length of C-channel is 6 meters, but the pool length requires 11.8 meters. So we need to weld 2 pieces together. Now it's welding. All of our welders are qualified and get certificates, and all the structures are designed by our engineering. He have more than 20 years experience in this line. Here's the framing, each side with C container corner to connect each part. After finished the frame, need welding the base frame one by one, and welding the wall frame and the window frame. Top of the bottom frame need welding a steel panel to hold the fiberglass liner, welding from top to the bottom. How we install the fiberglass liner. After that, we will do water testing. Welding the steel frame again to ensure structure more stable. Lifting the whole fiberglass liner, then put inside a pool steel frame. Okay. Okay, next step, we are covering the fiberglass liner with the stainless steel panel, cutting the whole of the window as the requested size. Install the acrylic glass and fixed with screws and steel panel. Make it tight and avoid leak. After that, we fill in with water and stand in 2 days to see if there is any leakage. Then we can go on the next step. Now is the filling the water and testing. Painting the pool. Before painting, our workers will polish each corner and sides to make sure the surface is flat. Finish the polish, we were punting and painting. We using epoxy zinc, rich primer, and fluorocarbon top coat. Zinc-rich primers provide outstanding corrosion resistance, especially in aggressive corrosive environments. The surface paint with fluorocarbon paint has features such as lightweight, dustproof, fireproof, shockproof, heat insulation, sound insulation, no cracking, no peeling or faking, no color difference, and unfading. Installing the wood plastic deck. The wood plastic deck, which prevents weathering, wrapping, splintering, or fading. It is a low maintenance design and cost is effective. We have a lot of colors for the WPC deck for your choosing, and you can contact us to ask for the color boards. Okay, now workers are covering the window with the papers. Then we can painting the frame with the black color. Okay, so now we will lifting the pool container to check the bottom of the pool container and open the hole for the drains.
Magic House is a Chinese prefab house manufacturer with more than 10 years experiences, specialized in customized prefab space. The house is made by manufacturer Magic House. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. If you want to customize one, I put the sales contact information and the shop link in the description box below. Or you can join our weekly live session to know us better. Thanks for watching.